right behind the Hindu Rao Hospital, and this monument is known as Pir Ghaib. As the name says, it's a Pir or a saint who disappeared or went Ghaib. That's why the name Pir Ghaib. Now, Pir Ghaib, I think it's a fairly modern name, must have been, because there's no association of this being a religious sanctuary anytime in the 14th century. In fact, this building is believed to be a hunting lodge come observatory built by Firoz Shah again. There's also a stepwell close by, we'll go to it, and all these monuments probably formed a complex. So if you need a lodge, you also need water supply there, yeah? So probably part of the same complex. Now there's very, very little left of the building. We are going in. Be careful, these are very, very steep, narrow stairs. It's dark in there. And actually you can, on the other side of the building, there's a series of, again, steeper stairs which take you to the top of the building. So we'll do it in small groups. There's just not enough space for everybody at the top. And so we'll do it gradually in bunches. Secondly, the idea of an observatory for this particular building comes from the fact that there's an aperture up there. There's an opening which goes all the way down to the ground floor. You can see it from the top once you're up there. And this opening probably held some sort of an instrument, some sort of a pole-like instrument, which we now think might have been an astronomical observatory, or something to do with astronomy. That is why the guess that this might have acted as an astronomy as well. Now the pier is gone, and so is the pole. So there's no evidence of either now. But you're going to look at that hole now. So that's the exciting thing here. No idea about when the pier disappeared. I say that it's a modern name simply because Pir Ghaib, it's not a Persian term. So it can't be a 14th century name. It's a Hindi or an Urdu term, you could say. So it's probably an early 20th century name, like most names of monuments we see now.
The story is not known.
No. And this photograph is again Beato in 1858, showing the Pir Ghaib. Pir Ghaib again was one of the outposts for the British when they were on the ridge. So this area was one of the most targeted by the rebels, who are not very far down south from here. So this area was frequently the target of attack by the rebels. Come, we'll walk in there.